Hey guys, this is LaxGod1212 or Alex Loyally, and I just got my new district deck in the mail today. Yeah, it only took like 3 days to ship. I got it from TightToys.com. Okay, so the receipt, it comes in this like wrapping stuff. So here it is. So here it is. It's the district. It's 4.5 wide with I think like 17 inches of foot space. Seems pretty light. I heard it's like only like 2 pounds, and it comes with this brake. Seems really hard to push down, but whatever. So yeah, I guess that's about it. So yeah, here it is. So here's what it looks like all together. Has the brake. I have a 110 Eagle Sport, so the wheel's kind of close to the brake, so it's hard to push down, but it's like right next to the wheel. So yeah, correction. Before I said it was 4.5 wide. It's actually 4 1/4. Just got mixed up there. But here it is, like put together. It's nice, I guess. I got a Cane Creek S3 installed on it. I don't really like it because it doesn't spin for that long. It's just really smooth. Like it doesn't spin really fast at all. It's just smooth. But here it is. Here's the bottom. Yeah, just a bunch of like district little sad faces. I don't really know what that means, but yeah, looking good. Then it's got the logo right here. Nice, I guess. My scooter isn't that dialed, as you hear. It's not that dialed. I think it's just something to do with the brake, because the brake isn't held in with any bolts. It's just like it just sticks on this little rubber space thing. So kind of not happy that it's not dialed. But I don't know, it might be something with my headset but yeah, so there it is put together.